Hey guys, my name is Courtney Burks and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about Mignon Beauty. But before we get into that, I want to ask you all to help me expand my territory. This year I have asked God to really help me increase in every area of my life, and that includes social media. So with that being said, make sure you go to @Courtney Burks on all social media platforms and join the Courtney Burks family. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. My goal is to get 10,000 subscribers. My goal is to get 1,200 subscribers on YouTube and 10,000 on Instagram. And I think that that's really attainable, but I only have 4 more months to get that done. So do me a huge favor and help me achieve that goal. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Today we are talking about Mignon Beauty. Mignon Beauty is a hair company that I recently launched. I have been rocking wigs for about a year and a half, almost 2 years. And growing up, I was just not one of those people who I just wasn't really into hair. I would get braids, I played sports a lot, but when it pertained to actually doing wigs and wearing bundles and having like weave out and stuff like that, that just wasn't my thing. But once I went off to school, everybody wore hair, and like trying to go to class, trying to look cute every day, and managing your lifestyle along with trying to keep your hair nice, it was a lot. So who weren't 100% acclimated with weave and everything that it entailed, wanted to delve into, I wanted to create a company for beginner-friendly bundles. Beginner-friendly bundle lovers, okay? And so that's what I did with Mignon Beauty. So the Mignon hair collection is exclusively for beginners. You don't have to know everything about hair. You are feel free to make every mistake that you want to make with it, because perfection comes with imperfection, right? And so one of the things that I have thoroughly enjoyed about this journey is that not only am I creating something for beginner friendly, but it's welcoming. It is such a welcoming experience, and it's extremely affordable. That was one of the main things I wanted to make sure in creating my hair care company, okay? My hair company, excuse me. So, do me a huge favor. We are launching August 15th, 2020. But before we launch, I would love if you all go to our Instagram page @Mignon Beauty and go ahead and follow so you get all the updates. We're going to be doing back to school. We're going to be doing a back to school hair sale, okay? And I would love to have some people just to review and tell me if they like it. I've had a couple of people tell me how great it is, but I cannot wait for you all to experience what I've been working on, okay? So in this video, I'm using the Mignon hair collection. I'm using the body wave. I wanted to make a bob, and I want to do the next video with pretty little things in that bob, and I'll make sure to link everything in the description box below. But you'll see me creating a bob, and I want to show you all how to make a wig. We've all been beginners at something, and I figured why not bring you all along this journey with me, okay? So again, I'm using a Mignon hair collection body wave, 12-inch, 2 10 inches, and a 10-inch closure. I previously, before I filmed Bleach the Knots, I will do a separate video on how I bleach the knots, and I'm so ecstatic. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, so go ahead and continue to watch it. Okay, so as you can see, I have my wig cap here, my wig on my wig head, excuse me, and this is the closure. I just finished bleaching the knots. The next video, I'll show you all how I did that. So here I'm just laying everything down nice and flat. How I like to do it is align with the threading on the wig cap. As I turn the head a little bit more in the upcoming clip, you'll see the threading, and I just like to keep that aligned for my frontal and my closures. Here's my thread and the needle that I have. All that will be linked in the description box below, and you can also purchase that from your local beauty supply. So it's just your preference, obviously. So as you can see, the little threading that's right there, oh yeah, there you go, right there. I'm just aligning it up with that. It just helps keep it nice, neat, flat, secure, straight to the point, whatever, you know what I'm saying? So it's even, and now that I have T-pinned it down, I'm about to begin sewing. But it's very important that you, as you can see, I'm clipping it down, making sure that the hair is out of the way when you begin this process. Oh yeah, also have some scissors because you do have to cut it. Some people use their teeth, but to each his own. I'll use this opportunity also to tell you that I'll have some wigs on sale, and I'll keep that in the description box below. So as you can see, I go under um, the lace. I don't go over, I go under. So you go under, loop it once. I really loop it twice, but I don't know why I was doing it like this for this video. And then you pull it through, okay? It's very, very, very simple. You get it under there. Now right here, you can feel it more than you can see it, but when you have the caps like this, they have an elastic band on it, so it's a little bit harder to begin with to sew. I won't lie to you, but once you get past where the 3 stitching is, like where I'm at right now, it's easy peasy and squeezy. Okay, so like I said, you just go under, and then you loop the thread over, and you pull through to secure it. Under. Can't see me doing it. I'm so sorry. This is my first time shooting, so just bear with me. But as time goes, I promise you I'll get better, and I'll have more angles as well, because we're investing in this YouTube business. But now that I'm right here, you can see I'm just moving really quick, and it's just like under, loop over twice, pull through. Real simple. You see how I'm keeping it nice, neat? That's how you want it. You want it nice and flat, and try to just make sure that things are straight. So after you secure your closure or your frontal down, you're going to begin your first bundle, sewing it onto the wig cap. You see mine is straight. I have the T-pins here. That little inch of room in the back is because that's where the thick elastic band is, and it's very hard to sew on. So as you can see here, I use my T-pins to secure the bundle down. And I'm doing the same thing I did with the closure. You just pull it, you stick it under. I'm trying to wait for the clip to go, sorry. So you stick it under, right? In that thick elastic band, it makes it hard. You do it twice over, pull it through. Very simple. It's very repetitive. So I'm not gonna keep saying it because that's annoying. But I'm securing it by doing it 2 or 3 times in the corner where the bundle begins. And I'm just going to utilize this clip to allow y'all just to see how I'm doing everything. But a little tip is I will also T-pin around what you see where I'm about to T-pin where the wig cap is, just to keep it secure, because like I said, it's a wig cap. You're making a wig. You want it nice and flat. So I'm coming back just to show y'all how nice and flat it is. It's not bulky. It doesn't matter, because everybody's head is different. But no matter what, you want to make sure that it is nice and flat. So right here, I use the fold over method. Everybody is different. But I don't cut my bundles because, we just don't do that. It's too hard to put it back in your head. So as you can see, I'm doing it again. I'm just pinning everything down and making sure it's flat. And when you are utilizing the fold over method, you see I pulled it down, I made sure it's flat, right? Boom. T-pinned it. Alright, cool. Now we're gonna go under. Now we're gonna do this area right here where we initially folded over twice, because you're folding it over and it's gonna create another layer. That's the best way to describe it. And with that layer, it can look a little bulky, but this is in the back, so you'll be okay. But it's imperative, if you want to slay your wig, that you make sure it's flat as possible. But this is fast forwarding, so you can't see me taking my time doing it. I don't want to, hold y'all up or whatever. So I'm trying to be as efficient as possible. You feel me? But y'all see how straight it is? You ain't see it. No bubbles over here. So sorry. Okay, I'm about to get back in character. But yeah, we just doing the same thing over and over. I hope y'all staying safe during this pandemic. I hope you washing your hands, brushing your teeth, putting your mask on. This is a crazy world out here, man. It's a crazy world out here. Sorry. Okay, so I did not realize that, unfortunately, my camera had cut off when I was doing the last bundle where I was making sure it was flat, where, excuse me, I'm so sorry, where the closure is, but this is just how I end it. It's the same way I begin it. I just do it 3 times wherever that area is, so it's nice and secured. But I do want to say this to end off the voiceover. When you're applying that last bundle and you're getting close to where the closure is or the frontal is, do not, hear me clearly, sew your bundle onto the closure or the frontal, because it will create bulk. It will not lay flat. I mean, some people be finessing, but I don't recommend it. And I say that in the most loving way possible. Y'all can continue to watch me, but no, don't do this video. I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you made it to the end again, go ahead and subscribe. Obviously, it's something here that you like. And if you're not following me and the Mignon Hair Collection on all social media platforms, go ahead and join. I know I'm asking for a lot, but I promise to give you a lot in return. And in order for me to give you a lot, we need more family members. So, to end this video off, again, I want to say thank you. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. We just made it to 17,000 views. And by the end of this year, I have faith that we'll be at 100,000. So, in order for us to increase our territory, guess what that means? We gotta go put in some work. So, you're gonna be seeing me every week, Friday at noon. I'm going to be in your email box. I'm going to be on your YouTube. I'm going to be on your Instagram, because I want to expand my territory, okay? I hope everyone is being safe during these uncertain times. I hope everyone is washing their hands and wearing their masks. And I'll see you all next week.